Hey, Welsh Dragon Metals here. Today I'll be making a pendulum necklace. There's the pendulum. This is one of those sort of witch type things for divining, I guess. So, or it could be used for. It's quite heavy. Pretty sure it's made of steel. As you can see, it dangles really well. And we'll be making an appropriately coloured chain to go with that thing. It's quite nice and very, very shiny, as you can see. So it should make for a very nice charm necklace, which is what I will make with it. So I've already made a section of the chain, otherwise it'll take ages. And I'll add a few more, make a few more split rings to attach to it, make the chain even longer. That is only about a little bit longer it needs to be, as you can see. It's only a few inches long. Usual routine, doing split rings, except I'll do them in threes. Make little miniature chains and then add all of them. It's a quicker method, but you still have to go back over it afterwards. Make sure you haven't missed any or misaligned any. Exceedingly dull day today. Winter has come back. No more sun, but it is good for work type stuff. Don't overheat as fast while doing lots, so it's good for me, at least. I was born this time of year. So shouldn't take too long. This already made 4 links there, 3 piece. Make one more, that should be enough of a length for a nice small chain. Don't want one too big, because this might actually be used for something. Someone might want to remove it, take it off, use it for its intended purpose. Hands are all scratched up and great. That happens. You make thing after thing. Lots and lots of things. Shiny. Aye. Had to keep the camera angle correct because I have to do everything nearly touching the cloth. And it hurts my back leaning over at such a sharp angle. So forgive if I go off screen now and then while doing stuff on my videos. It's because my back's killing me. So, sorry. Usually I sit down on the floor and do stuff, as you might know. See me in other videos, other people's videos. Shiny, quite nice. All the links need to be aligned. Make sure they're nice and neat. Don't want an ugly finished item. May keep this, may not, not sure. I have so much items. Far too many to sell on my eBay store. I need to do something about that. take them on the town or some such. See what I can get. So a little chain there. Bit too little though to fit around anyone's neck. I have to do a few more links. Damn it. Oh well. This is a quiet morning. Don't see any disturbances happening. Very grey and rainy. Sure we'll miss the summer very fast this time. Being as though there are many strange things these days. Trying to stop you living and enjoying your life. Guess this is going to be a strange winter for us all. Suppose in a way it'll be more natural though. Survival and all that. Survival of the fittest. And the cleverest. Put on these last couple, and I'm done. It's all I hear in videos these days in the distant background when you turn the volume up. Sirens. Doesn't take too much guessing while that is. Ah well. Strange times. Strange times indeed. And nice shiny clasp to finish that off. Nice. Place that on. There's already a split ring up on it. Quite handy. Need to feed my necklace through that hole. Carefully. Got it. Yay. All done. Close that up. Ah, very nice. Oh, that works well. Look at that. You put a map or some such underneath, and then let it drop. So, witchery tools. Also a nice charm piece, full stop. Also looks sort of like a strange sort of, I don't know, spike or bullet or antenna. But it's a pendulum. Still very, very nice piece. Sure you'll agree. So a little close up before I say goodbye, as usual. It's the shiny silver chain. I think with the pendulum. Nice sound on that. Check my Instagram and the thumbnail of this video, and I will take more pictures of this for you. Well, till next time.